Hi.
How are you?
I'm super good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah.
Can I go to see your room?
Yeah, of course. Come and join us. All right. So welcome to my unit. Here we have a shower room that I share with my unit mates. And on the other side of the shower room, we have a toilet. This I also share with my unit mates. And right next to my door is my unit mate's door. And this is a double room at IPC. So let's see. Yeah, in a double room you have 2 beds and stuff like that. We have 2 double rooms and then a single room and a double room. This is a classic double room and a single room next to each other that share a unit together. So these are my unit mates doing their homework and knitting. And they sometimes have friends over. Yeah. And let's go to my room. This is a very classic single room at IPC. We have a bed. Yeah. And here I do my homework and stuff that I need to do. Then we have a closet. So this is kind of the amount of space that you get for all your clothes and stuff. Yeah. What I recommend bringing is something to decorate your room. For example, fairy lights or letters from friends from home or some pictures, something to make it personal. And what you also need to bring is towels, but you will be provided with linen when you come here. Yes. All right, thanks for visiting. See you guys.